Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Getting ready to head out to the Brazos Center. Sorry for that squeaky garage door. We're getting ready to head out to the Brazos Center for a little BCS Trucks and Coffee. Betty is glossy right now. Shout out to 𝗕𝗦 𝙏𝙧𝙪𝙘𝙀. Took care of the truck. Ceramic coated a couple pieces that weren't coated, like the roof wrap and these mirrors, as you can see here. Truck looks amazing. Go ahead and turn it on and get it out. The wife's truck is still over there with Joel at 𝗕𝗖𝗦 Performance, so she will not be joining us. But let me get this truck out real quick. Alright, we're good to go. Let's get on this road, man. So if you are new to the channel, John, aka the real Jay-Z here, and this is my 2001 built Ford Lightning, Whipple powered on E85. Makes a little over 700 to the wheels. I've had this truck for over 20 years, and this truck is my baby. My wife, if you saw the last video, my wife also has a 2001 built Lightning. It is red, and they call that truck Little Red. This one is Betty. Yeah, she's had hers, man. I can't even remember. I know it's been at least like 6-7 years. But yeah, these are our trucks, man. And this is the channel. If you aren't already, subscribe to the channel. Helps us out. Keep continuing putting out content for you guys. Brazos Center from my house is about 10 minutes, so pay attention to this road. Get on over there. I'll see you guys once we get in the parking lot. Some of the cars out here right now. We're about 30 minutes in. Got Mason's R8, SRT10, Lightning out here. Super nice 370. Looks like he just got this wood grain trim added. Seen this one on the channel before. Let me zoom out. Nice one too, but like this wood grain trim. This truck is really, really nice. I like the color of this paint.
So the way it works, it favors the rear 60%, and it monitors front output shaft, back output shaft.
It's the truck that has the Trailblazer SS frame.
And the front's basically open, so you don't have to pull that pull out.
Check out this 370 real quick. Got like a lot of carbon fiber touches on here.
I've dropped too much money and it hasn't even started.
Roof wrap. A lot of carbon fiber details. Get over here. Check out this R8 Mason's truck. Hold on. It's got carbon fiber as well. I don't think you guys can see it at the night video. SRT10. This is automatic, I believe. It says this truck was originally a 4-door and converted it to a 2-door. I believe it's still for sale. Nice Gen 2 Lightning here. It was also his. He sold it to his son-in-law. Exhaust is different. Love the car seat. It's all about the fan. Very clean Gen 2. This truck pulled up earlier. Really like this one. Like the wheels on it. And I get to see the interior there. One day I'm gonna grab me a classic truck. Of course, you got Miguel's truck over here, and you got mine. You guys haven't seen this one before on the channel. My buddy Miguel's truck, super clean, Gen 2. And we got Betty over here. Jack joined us out here. Like this car, Jack? You want to go inside of it, huh? You want to get inside of every car. Compañía. And these are brothers, so these are both of their cars right here. Man, I had to come get a video of this better. Donald, he should have been out here. Pretty, huh, Daddy? We're gonna go grab something to eat. Twin Peaks with Miguel. So the axle seals that I got yesterday did not fit my wife's truck. Got them from O'Reilly's and they're gonna take till Wednesday to get here. We came to Napa to see if these work or not. Yeah, the truck looks looking amazing, so I'm not complaining about running errands. It is just after 10 o'clock. Joel just finished up. Pull up to the store real quick, show you guys a little walk around, show you how the brakes look. People are probably like, what the hell is he doing? And here we go, wife's Lightning, 2001, built Ford Lightning. I'll show you guys real quick what the brakes look like on this. Yeah, they're much smaller. Allows you to run a 15-inch wheel. There she is. I've got work at 4 a.m. So I'm gonna head back to the house. Get ready to call it a night. Yeah, it was a really good weekend. I had a lot of fun at the BCS Trucks and Coffee. Yeah, man, that is about it for this video. Huge shout out to Joel. Appreciate you, man, for knocking out the truck. Texas Made Performance. Shout out to them. If you are in the BCS area, be sure to hit them up. Look up Joel. I'll put their Instagram tags in the description. So hit them up if you need anything for all your needs in this area, and they'll get you done.